Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.5. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -27.11% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -35.95% to -27.11%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 15.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 3.72% and 54.23% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $193.48 and $287.70. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Amazon stock price increased by 3.29% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from $180.60 to $186.54. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.64%, with a low of $180.18 and a high of $186.74. Over the last 10 days, the stock has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall drop of 2.39%. The trading volume decreased by 21 million shares on the last day, with a total of 42 million shares exchanged for approximately $7.75 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 23.08% or $55.98 below the 52-week high and 85.71% or $1,118.66 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon's position in the technology landscape appears robust as demand for artificial intelligence data centers remains strong. On the 24th of April, executives from Amazon and NVIDIA confirmed that growth in power demand due to artificial intelligence continues unabated, supporting Amazon's strategic investments in data centers. This pledge to expand capabilities could bolster investor confidence, potentially driving the stock price up in the short term. Furthermore, a new partnership between Nasdaq and Amazon Web Services aims to modernize the infrastructure of global capital markets, igniting optimism around Amazon's technology services and increasing its relevance in a key market segment. This shift to cloud-based systems is likely to enhance AWS's revenue potential, which could positively impact Amazon's long-term growth trajectory. Despite these upward trends, Amazon's stock has struggled recently, declining nearly 30% since early February. Concerns over a stronger dollar and higher tariffs on goods from trading partners present significant challenges. As President Trump's tariff announcements add pressure to Amazon's e-commerce costs, the market remains cautious. Analysts are currently evaluating an impending earnings report, which is pivotal for understanding the company's immediate future. Looking ahead, signs of a weakening dollar could improve Amazon's outlook, while the company's presence in artificial intelligence positions it well. Amid ongoing technological advancements, investors should weigh these factors closely, as both short-term volatility and long-term growth potential play crucial roles in determining Amazon's stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Amazon a rating of outperform along with a downgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, Telsey Advisory assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, JMP Securities also assigned Amazon a rating of market outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and the stock has since increased by approximately 11.49%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Some negative signals have also been detected, which may influence the near-term outlook. The Amazon stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $188.81. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found at the short-term average around $176.31. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, say signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $178.41. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock has average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.56 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.64%. In the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 3.41%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $191.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $178.41. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th day of March 2025, Nui Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd day of March 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted another insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the same day, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. The next day, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted another insider sale of 56,339 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.844. In total, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon displays several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, April 25th, we anticipate Amazon will open lower by $2.05, starting at $184.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.